Welcome to our latest video on home security. As burglaries continue to rise in neighborhoods across the country, it's important to take steps to protect your home and belongings. In this video, we'll share some simple but effective ways to keep your home safe and secure. First, let's talk about the importance of being cautious, even with people you know or have met before. About 60% of burglaries in the U.S. are committed by someone the victim knows, so it's important to be careful and not let your guard down. For example, if a tradesman stops by and asks to use your bathroom, it's best to politely decline. They could be using the opportunity to scope out your home and plan a future break-in. Now, let's move on to some practical steps you can take to protect your home. One simple but effective trick is to use foil to detect if someone has tried to enter your home while you're sleeping. Simply place a sheet of foil over the front door handle before you go to bed. If the foil is ripped or disturbed in any way when you wake up, it's a sign that someone has tried to enter your home. Another option is to use a mug to create a simple alarm system for your door. Simply place a mug on the doorknob, and when the knob turns, the mug will fall and make a loud noise, hopefully waking you up and deterring the intruder. If you're going on vacation, there are some additional steps you can take to make your home less of a target for burglars. First, have a neighbor collect your mail while you're away. A full mailbox is a clear sign that no one is home. Next, make sure your lawn is well maintained. An overgrown lawn or unshoveled driveway can signal that you're not around. And if you have hedges or bushes near your fence, consider planting some with sharp leaves or thorns. These can provide an extra layer of defense and even catch clothing or other evidence if someone tries to jump over your fence. In addition to these measures, it's also a good idea to move all your expensive electronics away from the windows so they're not visible to potential burglars. Put them inside a cupboard or closet, and make sure all your doors and windows are locked before you leave the house. Another important factor to consider is the presence of a neighborhood watch group. Burglars often spend several days walking or driving through neighborhoods, identifying the behaviors of each house. If they see a neighborhood watch group in action, they are less likely to target a home in that area. If your neighborhood doesn't have a watch group, this is something to consider organizing when you return from your trip. These are just a few simple steps you can take to protect your home and keep burglars at bay. We hope you found this video helpful and stay tuned for more home security tips in the future. Thanks for watching.